Presiding Bishop Mweru wa kanisa ya Methodist Sayadeye na atongeretie kirimambura ja kwabie warimu wanene kiri skulu cha sekondari iri rungu wa kanisa wa kiari mwandiki munene wa kiama kiarimu bane kyo KUPPET Karutin Chebera augite bagokia biore kukonia kugitoko MICAARA yao nawe munene wa chancellor ndene ya skulu university ya Kemu augite skulu iri rungu wa kanisa itibatere kujukagirwa ta skulu kiumbe kana private mudhuri Murioki no ina ripoti je.
Muthenya na skulu cha sekondari ire cingwatanano ya kanisa ya Methodist cijite amwe nikenda kwa mukriyo mwanya ujo ni kuringana chombete kuthithia miaka mithuru kimantho giki kithomo. Ara presiding bishop kanisa ya Methodist no Isayande okayo na bonekana mbaki alire mantho jambo kita mugicukuru cha sekondari undu brapo kwa timbaru ne Dr. Catherine Mutwa.
Saying that of course we need to nurture our students in a way that is pleasing to God and even the nation, and the issue of drug abuse, we will pray hard so that this thing comes to an end in our institutions.
Ituthithagia drug test ukeja go suspect mwana na gutumira gintu ukambirio mwira ndiona ja kwibyo gutumira murete tumutesti tuonekethera kwibya gutumira na ethera kwibya gutumira ou tukomba kumuthitheria counseling na shoke skuru kana shoke ngugine kana ethera inja yaragene inja yawe shokanire bwega.
Mugeni wa gitio uroka imbubungo mwekuru karambukairemia mukuru endo kutakairemia munongamirite ethwa kirombali tomo no gutiumia kirimando je kithomo.
Whatever you read is effort that you make by yourself. Read hard, don't get discouraged, don't waste your time in school because it's very short. As you know, from primary school you have only 4 years before you go to university. If you use those 4 years properly, I can assure you we shall stand here another time and just be celebrating you.
Mukadigitwa kamera KUPPET na ndene kaunti Meru ethwa gitiumiria na kugoba ketha bakiritanga thikari ikireba ku alimu ke MICAARA yao ni bombete kugitwa mbecha na bate kumenya gitumi niki
bautwe turate kiama kia KUPPET thirikari na yukiria mbecha chia antubeto our members nyamwe wetwa National Social Security Fund 360 na tukemenya tu in a pension scheme ira to contribute 7.5% to ita superannuation scheme. Therefore itendo ke nyaku kedra ni kwa kulukura ne parliament ikituria rete nonto utibo tomba kwedra toenda tu pension schemes. Kwa hivyo ankoenda kuashua members that we are doing everything possible kenda to challenge amanto ya karekre ya kundidact beje chiao through the legal system known to this a creature of parliament na kwa no katukamita through the legal system kenda to me challenge in court.
Na Vice Chancellor Kemu University ethra ku thirikari itebiri ku university na kiumbe no ntotingwana na ingi no ntona gikanisa.
Personally, I would say that it was wrong categorization to categorize a faith-based institution into a private university. Kenya Methodist University is not owned by one individual, 2 individuals, or 3 individuals. It is owned by the church, and the church is a public institution. Apart from that one, the churches and other faiths, including the Muslims, so I think the categorization for faith-based institutions as private universities, I think I would say that it is not fair because we don't declare dividends. We are just offering social service. We are just offering the whatever to society.
Nkiripotera Juma Betamuthuri Murioki.